Okay, here we go. Hello, everybody. This is Damien from Beerenberg. I'm Technical Sales Manager. I'm working with the passive fire protection and insulation products, helping the customers resolving the project challenges with a simple solution and maximum impact. Welcome, everybody, on our second webinar, Beerenberg's new order portal for the standard prefabricated insulation and cladding products. We create this webinar to show you how our products are getting more digitized and standardized and are part of the automated ordering process. We all buy different products from online web shops, whatever this is, the t-shirt or shoes and other things. But this platform is completely different. This is not standardized standard web shop, but this is the ordering portal with automatic product configured for a Benarx insulation and fire products. In our opinion, it will improve a lot of ordering handling process, help the clients define own needs better and avoiding unnecessary mistakes typical made during the order or sending the RFQ. Like stating wrong dimensions, incorrect chosen product, and others. The ordering process is equipped with automatic notification. So I'm today with my colleagues, Ken and Adrian from Beerenberg, which are one of the key architects for this unique platform. So please, gentlemen, introduce yourself briefly.
Yeah, hello, Dave. My name is Kent Moore, and I'm responsible for manufacturing here in our factory in Poland.
Hello, everyone. My name is Adrian. I'm responsible for engineering and development of our prefabricated insulation products.
Okay, thanks, guys, for the brief introduction. So before we start, just brief introduction to our company. So Beerenberg is one of the largest insulation, scaffolding and painting services company in Norwegian market. We are both a domestic and international company, and we've been in industry since early 90s, where we inspect the fire insulation products. Benarx as a premium product brand, it's a part of the Beerenberg and is the leading insulation and removable fireproofing solution provider for oil and gas and energy projects. So first question to you, Kent. I understand that was your initiative. Please tell us where this began.
Yes, Damien. As you know, I've been working with insulation almost 3 decades. Many of those years spent on the projects, in that sense being a recipient of insulation products to be installed on the various projects. Over the last few years, I've been on the other side of the table, you know, manufacturing the insulation products, and you know, it's a case where we have accepted all kinds of the practice has been all kinds of formats of placing the order, you know, be it a standard prefab form that's filled out, or an email, you know, a telephone conversation, yellow post-it note, you name it. The orders have come in all kinds of formats, and I felt that it was time to find some new, more, you know, more modern way to approach this. So that's basically the background.
Okay, that sounds interesting. But could you please tell us what precisely are advantages for the clients and for the customers?
Well, it's, you know, standardization and digitalization. You know, we all know the general advantages of that. But it's the case where, you know, through this ordering process, you get full visualization of what you're about to either place an RFQ for or to place the order. This will in turn, you know, the whole processing will go a lot quicker. You know, you will receive an order confirmation or you know, a follow-up on your RFQ much quicker. And this will, you know, reduce overall lead time in the RFQ and ordering process. And there's also the case where you will have, as this is more standardized, you will not make, mistakes in you're missing some dimensions or whatever. That will probably be much better that you have a more precise order or an RFQ. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Kent. Adrian, this time question to you. Could you please show us our new product page, which been to coincide with the launch of the ordering portal? Can you tell our audience more about this?
Yes, of course. When we are inviting our customers into the details of our products in this ordering portal, we saw it necessary to make a revision of our old product pages. So I will take you through the layout of the new product pages, which we have launched in parallel with this new order portal. I'm now at the home page of beerenberg.com. If you go to products, you will find the Benarx product series, which is our prefabricated insulation. You will get into the product series that we offer as a company. Here we have the different applications which our products are applied for. You see to the upper left here, we have our acoustic series. We have our fire series, which is for fire protection. We have thermal series, which is for thermal insulation, traditional insulation products. We have our special products for reduction and mitigation of COI. And we have our cladding and weather protection products, as well as a add-on series for accessories like bolts or tape or tightening bands or all the different kinds of let's say extra material and consumption goods that you would need to install the product as well. So let's take an example. Let's say I'm looking for the pipe shell to fire protect a couple of pipelines. So I'll go to the fire series. And then taken into our information page about fire protection products. So this page will speak a little bit about the purpose and which standards are used, a bit of education for the uneducated reader to read up on in case it's not completely confident in how fire protection works. On the left here you see our product portfolio. So I'm looking for the pipe shell. I'll click on this one. This is one of our most popular products within prefabricated fire protection for piping. If you scroll down across the initial intro for the product, you will see this menu here. And what we've done in the revision of our home pages for all our products is we've split it and breaking down each product into categories of information. And this is actually quite important when we get into the ordering portal in a couple of minutes, because in order to order a product, you need to know what you are ordering. And the purpose of all these changes, which we have done in the home pages, is to structure the information you need to read up on the product in a way such that you can easily access the different elements of information that you need to be aware of before you order the product. So I'll go from the top down here. We have the section on application. It shows you a little bit about where the product can be used and what type of performance it gives. You'll see the pipe shell, it gives acoustic reduction, it gives fire protection primarily, and it also gives it can be fitted with thermal insulation, and its air gap design makes it COI mitigating. We have the technical specification and fire testing for the product. If you go to the installation manual, you will see the contact point from which you will get the installation manual for the pipe shells. To install to install the pipe shells, there is a number of tools which you will need. Sometimes this is described in the installation procedure, which is in this case. Other times there will be a contact point for you here to get the tools. What accessory information you will need on the product, what supporting documentation you need to read up on with downloadable links. You will find a section on unit configuration. This is very important when you order the product, so you know that you're ordering the correct unit. Sometimes it's pieces, sometimes it's meter. Other products are ordered in square meters or bulk in rolls, for example. So this is all information you need to familiarize with before you move into the ordering portal. If I go to how to order, you will see it says pipe shells can be ordered in our ordering portal. So I can click this link and we'll go into the ordering portal. Here you will see the home page. So I'm looking for a RFQ to get a quote on a couple of pipe shells. So I will go into the RFQ portal. So before we move on, I will just briefly show how to configure a pipe shell product. This is what I was looking for. First there you have the product group, so I'll select Benarx pipe shells. This is a fire product, so for this product, the process operating temperature on the pipeline is of vital importance. So I'll choose the correct operating temperature. Then I'm asked to select the fire specification. I'm looking for a pretty standard 60 minutes jet fire, 400 degrees critical. I will choose this one. And I'm looking for an elbow. Let's say it's a 45-degree elbow. And when you configure the product, you will see there are numbers of orientations with respect to water shedding. So you need to look into the job pack and the ISO drawing and find the one that's applicable for your application. You will also find some additional information in the drawing. For example, the difference between standard bands and knee bands, where they're applied, different ending on the pieces. All of this will be visualized on the component. I'll select the 4-inch, and you can see now the portal is automatically selecting the correct epoxy thickness and also the correct outer diameter to get the appropriate air gap on the product. This is going automatically, so you run no risk of selecting the wrong thickness if you put the correct fire specification in. The unit for this one is each, and I'm looking for 5 bands. And now I can add it to cart.
Okay, thank you, Arjan, for the good introduction of the ShareTech pipe shells. So Kent, why don't you show us a few screenshots how the ordering portal works for the insulation products like a rubber end cap gasket?
Sure, I'll share my screen and I'll start by taking you. I just want to go back a bit to the home page. Adrian showed us briefly. I just want to explain the structure here, and I just also bring to your attention that there is a demo video or a tutorial video that you will see on the right-hand side here. I recommend that you start, when you come into this page, to have a look at that, so just to refresh how things work. Again, on the left-hand side of the screen, this is the catalog, which takes you back to the pages which Adrian showed us. In this one, any unregistered customer can go in and very easily make a configuration, select the products and make some configurations, and send an RFQ, a request for quote for products, with very simple, basic registrations of your name and your email address. But the portal is more mimicking the process that we have today in our business. Where you would have a customer who would be connected to a company, and also we also mirror this by having projects. So you set up the various projects to which you would be sending an RFQ for, or to which you would be ordering products to. And that's why you get the full features of the portal when you register yourself properly and your company and the project or projects that you are working on. There's also an advantage for the customer that within the portal, all your RFQs and orders and offers are in a systematic way tied to the various projects that you are working on. So again, if I go in here, as an unregistered user, and as Adrian showed us also, it's just configuring from a top left to bottom right. You may note the information icons at the right of each cell, which gives you, a reminder or additional information as to what was said in the product pages. And if you click here, you can see the various products that we currently have in the portal. Adrian showed the Chartec pipe shells we have, so I can show maybe an end cap product. Here are some temperature ranges for that product. In this case, there's only one type. And what you need to note here is the drawing comes up, so you have visualization of what you are about to either order or place an RFQ for. And you need to look at the dimensions that you need to put in. So in this case, you need to put in the pipe diameter again. So let's say a 6-inch. The B is the insulation thickness. And then C is the height of the end cap that you would need. So I'll put in that. And just quickly mention these two cells at the bottom left. This is where the customer may upload a certain list, be it, let's say, isometric drawings, or it would be their installation job pack numbers. Then the customer may upload that to that particular project, where he's, in this case, wanting some rubber end caps. And those reference numbers would follow up on the product, on the tag of the number, and it's an advantage, again, for the customer to have tracking of his or her products. I need to then go on, select the unit, select quantity 10. As you see, this one became green. It's a completed order line. I add this to the cart. You got the RFQ, the QR code come up. The article number shows here, and you can either then copy this order line, so you don't need to repeat. If it's only dimensional changes you're making, then you will copy the order line and put in only the specific cells that you need to change, or you can of course add a new order line as you go. Then you can also look at your cart in a traditional web shop type approach, and this is what's in your shopping cart. Now there's an unlimited amount of order lines you can put in there with whatever you need, from sheet metal cladding. You can combine everything in one RFQ or one order in this portal. All the products that we offer in the portal can be included in one, as I say, one RFQ or one order. And then in this case, I was looking to place an RFQ. This is what's in the cart, and I place the RFQ. Then I would just proceed and fill in this simple form so that we could create the offer for you, and we would send that offer you to in the portal, and you would get a notification by email asking you then to go into the portal, where you would view the offer that we have made for you based on your RFQ. And then through that, you can then accept that offer, and then that converts to an order, and where you place the order. So it's about having RFQ, offer, order process, processing through the portal in the traditional way we would work. As a registered customer, if you have a frame agreement with us or a contract with us, you can, you don't need to do the RFQ part of this, and you don't need to get an offer in each case, because we have then the prices and the terms and conditions already set. And then you would just go straight into the order phase of this process and place your orders through the portal. But again, it's about visualization, seeing what you're about to order, being guided all the time, and not missing any dimensions, and also that there is a logic in here with rules and dependencies, so you don't configure a wrong product or something that we don't offer in the portal. So back to you, Damien.
Excellent. I really like this. I'm very impressed. How does it look like and how it's built? Can you tell us how long have you and Agile and the rest of the team been working on this project?
Well, we've been thinking about it for several years, but we found that, you know, we were hit by the COVID like everybody else, and back in March, April, it became a little quiet. So we saw this was a good opportunity to realize this project. So we've been working here in, you know, both in Norway and in Poland together with a partner here, a web developer in Poland, and we've been working on it through the autumn, I would say. And now we're ready to launch it.
Okay, and which type of the customers do you think this application?
Well, I think it's all types of customers who need prefabricated insulation or cladding products, be it internal customers within our company and the projects in our company, or external, like we do today. We supply our products both internally and externally all over the world, basically. And this is online, easy to access, easy to understand, intuitive. So and it's quick. It speeds up the whole process. So I think it's for all kinds of all of our customers.
Okay, and guys, you show us today the Shartek pipe shells. What about other fire products like a Shartek epoxy box or Shartek epoxy panels? Can we order these products from this platform?
Was your question to me, Damien?
Yes.
Currently, we don't have the boxes and the panels in there. We are working on that, and we will be introducing more products and more features as we go. So specifically to your question, the epoxy boxes or the boxes in general, valve and flange boxes, and the panels, we would currently just order in a traditional way, but we aim to have that also included in the portal in due time. It's a work in progress. We have quite a lot of products in there now, but we will be developing the portal as we progress.
Cool, guys, really good stuff. I really like this. So this ordering portal allows customers to select and configure insulation products in a very simple, quick and logic way. So all products are visualized, entire process is digitized and automated with a notification, which improve the operational aspects a lot. I think it can help our customers to place an order faster, simpler, and with a much less risk of the incorrect order, and having full control and traceability of the order status. Thank you, gentlemen. Innovative and very interesting topic and platform. And in my mind, it's even game changer how to order prefabricated insulation products. Good luck to you and the entire team who has worked on this project. To our customers or future customers, please visit us www.beerenberg.com and check out our new ordering portal. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the day.